slogan for the entire state. No? We place a complete trust in God, and we are trying our best to ensure that whatever we do is for the glory of God. As most of you, if not all, must be aware of the fact that I have been visiting Garo Hills frequently in the last 2 to 3 years. And some people, they are wondering how this Baden keeps coming, but without establishing his party in Garo Hills. They fail to understand why he is not establishing his party in Garo Hills. Because we feel that we should not rush in constituting our units in Garo Hills unless we see that those people who would like to join the party are fully subscribed to the philosophy, the ideology, and the belief of the party. Because the Voice of the People Party is not just another political party. We have made it very clear the day we announced to float this party that the Voice of the People Party is going to be a party with a difference. It is not only a party where our aim and objective is to contest election and win election only. It is going to be a movement where we will bring about a change in Meghalaya, especially a political change. I think that we will get the number to form the government from Khasi Giant Hills. Our frequent visit to Garo Hills does not imply that we badly want to be in the government. No. We want that our brothers, our Achik brothers and sisters, should also get the chance to know what is the aims, objectives, and goal of the Voice of the People Party, because it is going to benefit them also. If we are in the government, we may not have representation from Garo Hills, but we are not going to leave this part of the state because we are, called to serve the state of Meghalaya, not to serve a particular community like the Khasi community only. So, which is why we want that you, our Achik brothers and sisters, should understand this. So if you understand this, what is your duty? Don't you think that it is your duty to join hands with us? Don't you think that it is your job to strengthen the party, to work? Because the Voice of the People Party is here to offer protection and benefits for the people of the state and the people of this region also.
Bakalong hi kadon ka Jingthrang ka Bakrao ba kadon ka Jingthrang joki pai ba Garo Hills ba ka Voice of the People Party kan yar sa Garo Hills ban pendrung dekot ban sengi ka party shanish po Garo Hills. Ikum ginong alam ngilawan hier bonsin bat ngilayo ban ikudo iki babon ba kibriu akling-kaling ke district bat ngilai ke Jingslop ya ka Jingai Linti ka Daw ka balapalongi bangin sengi ka party ka Thong ka Jingtmu ka Jing ba kanong rim ka Jing. Ikum bakalong manta kalong ka smutnat bangin tip ba kata ka Jingthrang ka jong ki neki riurang ba ki pai ba jong Garo Hills kala penisha bakalong ka ba scam namar ngila lum iki ngila pawan bat ngila tenjo iki haduk anu kadon kata ka jing angnut bat menta kasing kala don ka jing kundo bania slop hadin bangila yo bania slop haki pot bamenshwa bat agawi ka jimut kila rai bakin sedangno kirki ya kani ka parti ka jing bat dena kata ka kum kinongelam ngila menjur bangin bo shwa ya ad hoc committee hagbede ba Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kenapa bagani ka Garo zone jong ka Voice of the People Party kan sedang ban lom ban lang ban ye slok ikibriu ban ai ka jing percaya jing pensoso kani kami namar kaladon ka Jingthrang bat ka jing angnut bangin hab ban sedang no ye kani ka kam support Garo Hills ban ni smutu abangi don sini support Garo Hills kap abangi kendo ka kalong ki rong ba kalong ki riu don brom kila pan pau shahi ba kumba kalong hi kan desa ka Voice of the People Party ka ban long kata ka
Mission ya Prah kawang baik bom bet bom kajing sensyar babet ikwa ben khut no u sen rom berhat ku kon samla ben chiet yu nong mi man kajing kermian shano menta kijing sa dien ngin ran
nanti lah
Kong deng kong na ha upra Ba deng ba na ha u
bat sikwi pagi district dikata kali ke kubur ke bangsa pau bat na soban angu iblein maka di ke jong u bat ke jingat lenti ke jingi ka bang ni yo ban mat saya kali pat ke cap jong ka jing job ha ke jingat lenti jing bengila ban sing ban lum ya ki rangba ya ki samla ki ban pau shisha ba kumba kalau manta kim don shoot da wai pat ke jing perkhap ni ke jing ada tian ni ka voice of the people party nei ban i ba kali tang ni ka party ka ban yang nam ta jingi ki try ka ha ke jala
How Prah! How Prah! How Prah! This should be the slogan for the entire state. No?